today's video, let us add a dynamic sliding animation to our character, to our game animation sample character. Okay, let's get started without any further ado. Okay, first we need to open we need to open our character blueprint. Okay, which is a CVP character. Okay, as you can see, wait, as you can see right now, the character's crouch state is given either crouch or uncrouch. Okay, we want that character to slide when we hit the crouch button if the character is sprinting. Okay, so first we'll need to go to the sprint function. Okay, sprint path. Okay, where this is the sprint input. Okay, if the character is sprinting, I want to create a new variable. Okay, I want to set this variable's value to the action value. Okay, the action value of the default character input sprint. Okay, so after getting this, you can see I'm gonna give a print value. Okay, print string, print, yeah, print string. Okay, I'm gonna print this sprint value. Okay, yeah. Uh, as you can see. If he is printing, it'll return the value true. If not, it'll return the value false. Okay. So uh, let's get started. Okay. Now I'll remove these because I don't know. I don't need those anymore. I'll get into the crouch function. Yeah, it's over here. Yeah, if the character is sprinting and if he wants to crouch, okay, let's see. If he's already crouched, then this toggle will change it to uncrouch, okay. But we don't want the slide animation to be played while the character is already crouched, okay. I want to play this animation while the character is running, okay, and the uncrouched, okay. So I'll break this link, okay, break this link now, and get a break get a branch, okay, get a branch and put the sprint, okay, under there. Okay, if true, he'll print string. Okay, if true, he'll print string. Okay, this value, or else he will crouch. Okay, if he's printing, he'll print true. Okay, or else he will just crouch. Okay, let's see how it works. I'm sprinting right now. If I press crouch, he's sprinting true, okay? If else, he's crouching, okay? It is working as intended, okay? Now, what I'm gonna do is get in there and I'm gonna just copy this and paste this function over there, duplicate it. Yeah, I'm gonna give crouch, okay? Now, if I do that, you can see the character while sprinting, here and sprinting, he'll print true and then he'll crouch, okay? But I want to play the slide animation before the character is crouching, okay? I'm gonna play the animation montage, okay? Play montage, play montage, okay? I was already doing some tests, okay? Uh, I'll use this animation, create a montage, okay? Create a montage, and then paste this montage over in there, okay? And for the animation skeletal mesh, I'll put this mesh over there. Now, if I uh, if I press crouch, he's sliding and then getting in the crouch state. Okay, but the slide is a little too slow. Okay, it looks nice, but I don't see. It doesn't match properly with the it doesn't match properly with the running animation. So we are going to use motion warping. Motion warping, basically what it does is it just combines two animations. It just blends two animations smoothly together. Okay. So for that, in order to do that, I'll just break this link. Just push it over there. I'll create a new. I'll add more. I'll just add what motion warping over there. Motion warping component. You can just enable it by going in the plugin section just going in the plugins uh, and then typing motion warping. Just enable it. Okay, it'll just give a small pop-up. Press OK and restart the engine. Okay. Now after adding motion warping, I will just add. add or update warp target. Okay, I'll just give this. Okay, and place it over there. Okay, bridge it, and then split structure. Okay, now we are talking. Okay, now we need a warp target name, a warp target location, and warp target rotation. Okay, for warp target rotation, I'll get actor rotation. Okay, this just gives us the actor's current rotation. Okay, the direction which the mouse is pointing. Okay, for the actor location, I'll get a actor location. I'll get the actor location. Get actor location. I'll just after from this, I'll get a forward vector from rotation because we want the direction of which the character should be moving to be straight in the straight forward of what it is given. Okay, and I'll just multiply. Uh, I'll just convert it into a float. Give a value of 600 maybe. Why not? And then I'll add them together. Add those two together. Okay. Uh, Before doing this, I just want to check. Okay, I will just break this thing. I just Control X. Sorry over there. Just use capsule component. Okay, capsule collision. What? Spear. Yeah, spear trace. Spear trace by channel. And for start location, I will give this for end location, and for start location, I will give this actor location. Okay, from this to this. Okay. Now, if I press compile and yeah, for debug type, I will give for duration. If I press compile and then if I run it, okay, uh, you can see it is like showing something over there. Okay, but it doesn't show rotation because we haven't given that yet. Okay, I think I made a mistake. Yeah, this will come before that. Okay, break this link from there to here and from here to there. Yeah, I think it should work right now. Yeah, for some reason it isn't working. Wait, I already made a version of that. Yeah, it is multiplying it and adding it. I don't know why it isn't working over there. Mm, just gets the forward vector. Oh wait, it's forward vector, and the first version was correct. I just multiplied it before that. Break this thing. I think it's going to be float. Wait, I'll just delete this. The flow multiply and delete this. Okay, I'll multiply it first. Okay, and it should be float double precision. Okay, precision, and I'll get a value of 600, and I will add okay these two values and then put it in the end location. And for radius, I'll give it a value of 4. Okay, if I press play, you can see, yeah, he is projecting everything in the direction at which he is placing. Okay, the end of the spear trace is where the character should slide. Okay, yeah. Now if I go in there and remove this, okay, there is this. I got my character's end location and my character's start location. Okay, start location is the default. We won't be giving anything. For end location, we'll be providing this, and for rotation, same. Okay, character rotation for this I'll connect it over there. Now, okay, let us get into the animation montage. Okay, now we have got this animation montage, and I'm gonna add and for in this notify curve, I'm gonna add a motion warping state. Okay, and yeah. If you press shift and click drag this, okay, you can get the correct position. I will align it where he will start to slide. He is starting to slide over here, and then I'll just drag it till where he ends the slide. Okay, he ends the slide over there. Okay, I'll just give a target name of slide. Okay, slide. This should do good. Okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't attach it over there. I'll do it from first. Okay. I'll delete it. This is how your character's animation montage would be. After going over there, I'll add my motion warping over here. Okay, I'll extend it. I'll extend it. Like start it from the position he's starting to slide. Okay, he's starting to slide from here, and then uh, till where he's stopping his slide animation. Okay, he is stopping a slide animation like slightly over this place. Okay, he is starting to walk over here, from over here. Okay, yeah, I extended on there, and I'm gonna name this target name as slide. Okay, I named it as slide. Okay, nothing else. Okay, now if I go there and it is case sensitive, so copy it from here and actually paste it over here. Okay, slide. Okay, now if I press play, if I press play. Okay, while sprinting, you should see he's sliding. Okay, and then getting in the crouch state. Okay, I can change this distance. I can change the distance of which he is sliding. If I give a value of 1500, he'll slide till 1500. Okay, a distance of 1500. You can see over. Okay, he's sliding a distance of 1500 over there. So, I felt like 600 is the most optimal value for this animation. So, I'm giving a value of 600 over there. Okay. Now, you can see he's sliding smoothly. Okay. He's sliding smoothly. Okay. He just avoided the tile over there, top. Okay. If he's running straight in there, he'll get his head kicked. Okay. Head hit. Okay. If I press slide over there, he just avoided that. Okay. Yeah. As you can see, this thing is a little too big, so I'm just gonna convert it into a function. Okay, just copy everything, right click, and collapse to function. I'll just name this function as slide. Okay, slide location and rotation. Okay, this is the name of this new function. And then I don't want to connect this over here, so I just want it to be called everywhere. So I'll just give it pure. Okay, I just convert a pure function. Okay. And yeah, that's it. We have made the slide animation in the small space. Okay. In the next video, I'll give us some physical animation. Okay. While sliding, you can see it over here. Okay. If the while character sliding, he just doesn't care. Okay. He just moves. Okay. He just moves in the straight line. Okay. He just doesn't stop moving. Okay. In the next video, I will try to make the character stop at the location where the collision is happening. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye.